Your SUM formula is correct, but Excel still won't calculate. Here are the real reasons why, and how to fix each one in seconds. You enter a sum formula such as sum from A2 to A21, and the result returns 0. You check the formula carefully. It looks correct, but Excel still shows 0. One of the most common causes is numbers stored as text. Here are the typical symptoms. The SUM result shows 0 even though values are visible. The numbers are aligned to the left instead of the right. Some cells display a small green triangle in the corner indicating an error. Here's how to fix it properly. First, select the range of cells you want to change. Go to the Data tab in the top menu and select Text to Columns. When the wizard opens, select the Delimited option and click Next. On the following screen, look for the Text Qualifier drop-down menu. Open the list, choose the single quotation mark, and then click Finish. Excel will instantly convert text numbers into real numeric values. If the numbers were stored with hidden characters, this process removes them and restores proper calculation. You enter a sum formula for a range, such as B2 to B21. The cells look like numbers, but the total still does not calculate. This usually means the values are not true numbers, even though they appear numeric. They may contain hidden spaces, invisible characters, or formatting that causes Excel to treat them as text. When that happens, the sum function ignores them. Instead of using a regular sum formula, enter a formula that wraps the range inside value and then passes it into SUMPRODUCT. Value forces Excel to convert text values into real numbers. SUMPRODUCT then performs the calculation using the converted values. This approach works even when the dataset contains mixed formats or hidden characters. After entering the formula, press Enter. Excel will calculate the correct total immediately. This technique is especially useful when you cannot modify the original data, such as when working with imported reports or locked datasets. Now, imagine you filter a sales column to show only values greater than 1,000. To do this, open the Filter drop-down on the sales column. Choose Number Filters. Select Greater Than. Enter 1,000 and click OK. Your sheet now shows only rows that meet the condition. Next, you calculate a total using a standard sum formula. But the result does not match what you see on screen. Here's why this happens. The SUM function includes hidden rows in its calculation. Filtering hides rows visually, but they still exist in the dataset. Sum continues to count them, even though they are not visible. To calculate only visible rows, use the SUBTOTAL function instead. Replace the sum formula with SUBTOTAL and use function number 9, which represents SUM. Then select the same range. SUBTOTAL automatically ignores filtered out rows and calculates only the visible values. After pressing Enter, the total now matches exactly what you see in the filtered list. This is a key reporting principle. Whenever filters are applied and you need totals to reflect only visible data, use SUBTOTAL instead of SUM. You write a sum formula, but the total is incorrect. The formula looks fine, yet the result does not match your expectations. This sometimes happens because the formula is referencing the wrong range. Here are the common symptoms. Some values are missing from the total. The final number looks too small or inconsistent, and the calculation does not match a manual check. To verify whether the range is correct, inspect the reference cells. Click directly on the formula cell. Then click inside the formula bar. Excel will highlight the cells currently included in the calculation. This visual outline shows exactly which values are being summed. If the highlighted range does not include all required data, adjust it. Drag the selection handles or manually edit the cell references until the correct range is selected. Press Enter to confirm the change. Excel recalculates the total immediately. This quick check helps you detect range errors instantly and prevents reporting mistakes. Now imagine you delete a value from cell C2, but your formula result does not change. You expect the total to update automatically, yet the calculation stays the same. This usually happens because Excel is set to manual calculation mode. Here are the symptoms. You change or delete values, but formulas do not recalculate. Totals stay frozen even though the data has changed. Pressing Enter does not update results. To fix this, switch Excel back to Automatic Calculation. Go to the Formulas tab on the ribbon. Locate Calculation Options. Select Automatic. Once Automatic Calculation is enabled, Excel will instantly recalculate formulas whenever data changes. If you want to force an immediate refresh, press F9. This triggers a full recalculation of all formulas in the workbook. Understanding calculation mode is important because Excel can appear broken when it is simply set to manual. Sometimes some formula fails even though the range is correct and the numbers look fine. This often happens when one or more cells in the range contain errors such as value errors, not available errors, or reference errors. When SUM encounters these error values, it cannot complete the calculation and may return an error instead of a total. Here's how to fix it. Instead of using a standard sum formula, use the aggregate function. Choose function number 9, which represents SUM, and option 6, which tells Excel to ignore error values. Then select your data range. Aggregate will calculate the total while skipping any cells that contain errors. This allows your results to remain accurate, even when some records contain issues. After entering the formula, press Enter. Excel immediately returns a correct total without being affected by error cells. This is especially useful when working with imported datasets, automated feeds, or large reports where errors may appear occasionally.